Welcome to Auto Revive. After watching our restoration videos, today, a car owner brought in his 15-year-old friend, a nearly broken Mercedes S500, requesting a restoration to make it look brand new. Let's see how we turn rock into gold and give it a new lease on life. Let's get to work. First, strip it completely clean. The asphalt sound deadening pads inside the car have cracked and crumbled. This is one of the main sources of the bad odor inside the cabin. These all need to be scraped off and replaced. We'll lay down brand new sound insulation. The interior is completely covered in dust. Let's vacuum it clean first. Once stripped empty, the entire interior will be deep cleaned. We'll lay down new damping pads and sound deadening mats. The seats will be completely reupholstered. A borescope inspection reveals severe carbon buildup in the cylinders. There's also cylinder scoring and oil leaks. Because of this, we have no choice but to tear the engine down for a full repair. Using low-quality coolant has caused severe corrosion in the lines. Did the owner take this car off-roading in the mountains? There are massive scrapes and scratches. The exhaust pipe even has a huge dent smashed into it. The driveshaft bolts are completely loose. No wonder it was making weird noises while driving. The drivetrain issues are exceptionally severe. Dropping the engine out. Oil leaks, coolant leaks, and engine knock. Severe deterioration everywhere. We are going to restore this engine from looking like this to this. Take a guess if we can pull it off. Enough talking. Let's tear the engine down for cleaning and repairs. Separating the engine and transmission. Removing the alternator. The bolt is stripped. rubber hoses are aged and cracked. The fuel injectors are covered in carbon buildup and are already severely deformed. The thermostat is just slathered in silicone sealant. Inside of the water pump is completely rusted. This is exactly what happens when you use improper coolant. Over time, it causes the engine to overheat, leading to major problems. All this carbon buildup is caused by poor maintenance. The camshaft surface shows significant wear. The cylinders are full of carbon. Other components have snapped as well. The cylinder head gasket shows signs of damage. This is the main reason for the engine's oil leaks. All the piston skirts are heavily scored. The engine of this Mercedes S500 is completely disassembled. After a few days of preparation for restoration, the parts were cleaned. And today we are going to reassemble it. At this point, the engine is fully prepped and ready. Did you learn something from watching? Next, we clean the transmission valve body to fix the rough shifting issues. The inside of the transmission is filled with black sludge. This is the exact result of never changing the transmission fluid. Over time, the sludge clogs up the valve body, blocking the fluid channels. This is what causes those harsh, jerky shifts. The transmission teardown is complete. Time to clean and reassemble it. The transmission for this car is all set. Now, we begin the final vehicle assembly. Installing the rear subframe. Hoisting the engine back in. Replacing the suspension bushing. Installing the drive shaft. Installing the shock absorbers. Installing the radiator. filling it with coolant, adding power steering fluid, installing the headlights and applying protective film. The chassis and suspension components are all installed. At this point, the car is finally finished. Let's take a look at how it sits now. If you had an old classic like this, would you restore it like this too? Drop your car model in the comments, and let's chat about it. Thanks for watching Auto Revive.